These are instructions on using the internet to help you find the location of a meetup. Let's say that you open up a meetup and you see one that you're interested in, and we're going to use a real example. This is a meetup coming up on July 30th in the morning, a Have It Your Way walk where you will decide what time you want to come and what type of walk you would like. If you look up at the top, you'll see a location, and the location is always clickable. In this example, it is at Woodcrest Park. You can click on the location, and it will take you to a site that tells you more about the location. If you scroll down on the left, you'll see other people have written reviews about the location. On the right hand side, you'll see upcoming meetups to that location. As a matter of fact, we also have a meetup on Labor Day, a dog yoga session. And past meetups, you'll see meetups that happened there in the past. You can click on those and see what happened there. On the top right, you'll see a small map. And this map is adjustable. You can grab it and pan. Grab with your left mouse key and scroll to give you an idea of where the location is. The actual location is that red tack there. You can zoom out to get a better idea of where the map is in the city by clicking this minus here. And if we click minus a few times, you'll get a bigger view of the city but a smaller view of the location. And now you can see this is in northeast San Antonio. If you click the arrow and go closer or zoom in, you'll start seeing actual street names as you get closer and closer. And you have to pan out to get the location again. Here's the location. You can see is at Forest Bluff and Forest Pass. Now, to get a better idea of where the location is, you can click directions here next to the little car. And the actual address is put in the to location for you in Google Maps. And now you enter your home address here. I'm going to put an address in here to show you how this works. I'll put the address of Lady Bird Johnson Park. And Google Maps figured out that that's what I wanted because I've been there recently. The address of Lady Bird Johnson Park is this one here, 10700 Nacogdoches. So now you have a from, which is A, and you have a to, which is B. Click. Oh, and before you click get directions, you can choose what type of directions you like, traveling by car, by bus, walking, or by bicycle. We're going to leave it at car. That's the default. Click directions. And on the right, you can see the directions are drawn. A is where you're starting, and B is where you're ending. And if you scroll down on the left, you'll see exact turn-by-turn directions. And it gives you how many miles it is from that location. And it gives you two suggested routes. It automatically chose the I-35 Pan Am Expressway route. Or you could click the Wurzbach route and notice the route here changes and the turn-by-turn directions change. If you would like to print these directions out, you go to the top right here and click print. And this gives you a printable version of the directions. And in order to print these, depending on what type of browser you have, on mine I have a print shortcut here, or you can go to File and Print to print the directions out. And these were just quick instructions on how to use the internet to find a meetup. We'll send some detailed instructions later. If you have any questions about using the internet to find a meetup, please log on to SA Big Dogs, the discussion forum, and post your question to the Computer Tips and Tricks forum. Thank you.